Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn about consonant T sound. What is consonant sound T? The symbol T in the International Phonetic Alphabet, or IPA, represent a voiceless alveolar plosive consonant sound in English. How to make T sound? First, close your mouth by putting the tip of your tongue on the front roof of your mouth. Next, pull it back to let out a puff of air to make the T sound. Let's practice.
T. T. T.
Let's say the word.
Talk. 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 Table. 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 Letter. Letter. Letter.
Now, let's practice in conversation.
It's time to eat, Thomas. I've been waiting. The cat's been waiting too. He's quite hungry.
I'm hot. I need some water. And I'm still waiting for that letter.
Okay. I'll get you some water and the letter. I also put some butter on the table for your toast.
This is perfect. But the letter, it's about the cat, isn't it?
Yes, it is. The vet's letter. It's about the cat's checkup.
Oh. I was hoping it wasn't anything serious. I was starting to worry. Is he all right?
He needs more special food, apparently. Something about his digestion. It's going to be a bit more expensive.
Well, at least it's not something catastrophic. How much more expensive?
Enough to make me want to talk to the vet about payment options. It's a significant amount.
I understand. We'll figure it out. We always do. We'll talk about how to manage the extra cost.
Thanks, Thomas. I appreciate that. It's just unexpected. We have to adjust our budget.
We can do that. We can cut back on some things. Maybe we can order less takeaway for a while.
That's a good idea. We can also try to find a cheaper brand of cat food that's still good for him. We can look into it together.
Absolutely. Let's talk about that after we eat. This toast with butter is delicious.
Good. Eat up. We have plenty of time to talk about the cat's food and our budget after this. We'll figure it out, step by step.
I know we will. Thanks, James.
Anytime, Thomas. It's what friends do. Now, finish your toast before it gets cold.
Will do. This is really good. It makes waiting for that letter a little easier.
Glad to hear it. Just try to relax. Everything will be okay.
Let's practice with complete the text.
This morning, I woke up feeling a bit sick. But after drinking some water, I felt much better. I tidied up the table to read a letter from my cousin. While I was reading, my cat jumped on my lap and purred softly.
Complete the blank sentences with what you have heard.